my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Howdy, howdy, howdy. You are my sunshine. Written in the 30s by they're not sure who, but Jimmy Davis and his partner published it and made it into a huge hit. And even Bing Crosby and Gene Autry recorded it way back in the late 30s, early 40s. But it's been popular ever since, and a lot of country and folk musicians and singers have recorded this. As a matter of fact, the soundtrack to "Oh Brother, Where Art Thou" had it on there by Norman Blake, great guitar player. So I thought I'd put it in an arrangement, finger-picking style. And this is in the key of G, and regular tuning, standard tuning. Starts with a pinch. What do we call a pinch? Well, it's usually a thumb and one finger, sometimes two fingers. So the thumb here is on the 6th string, 3rd fret, and the finger, index finger, on 4th string, open. Those are pickup notes. Here comes the downbeat, right? So you'll see that's in the tab. The tab's coming up at the end of this video. You'll see that measure, the pickup measure, is only 3 beats. The song itself is in 4/4 time, 4 beats per measure. But you'll often see pickup notes in, they call incomplete measure. And it just, it leads into the body of the song. That's all that is. So we have going in, you're staying on the G, starting in the G, staying on the G, right into the body of the song. Now, here's it sounds nice, doesn't it? This is where we have a melody note on the 2nd fret, 3rd string. And my sunshine, my only. So we move this finger, which is usually on the 5th string, move down to the 3rd. We keep this on as a G, part of the G. You notice I'm not necessarily keeping my pinky on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, 1st string. You don't have to, because you're not using that 1st string. So here we moved, do this little number, little trick again with the middle finger playing 2nd fret, 3rd string. Move into a C chord. Now we got a C chord, but we need this melody note here. Do, do, do. So you see I'm still holding the C. Pinky on that 3rd fret, 2nd string to get that melody. Back to G. That little 2nd fret, 3rd string again. Back to C again. What's that? I did it different this time on the C. Instead of doing like I did the first time, I'm syncopating this open 1st string. I'm playing it earlier, and sometimes it's called push rhythm or anticipation. You're anticipating, or you're pushing that 1st string melody and note early, half a beat early. So you see that in the tab. I've got it marked with in this measure. there's a tie mark, a wavy mark that goes into the next measure, just to let you know that it needs to keep ringing. And then back to, like we had before, back to G. Here's that same move, except that we're not going to a C this time. Now we're on the G, but we're playing a first fret, a second string. We're going to move to a D. Now a D, this formation is real nice, pretty, because we're playing, we're not playing this D, the normal kind of D. We're going to play this one. All we need is 2 fingers here. Second fret, 6th string, second fret, 3rd string. That's how the song ends. Please don't take my sunshine away. And just a little kind of tag at the end, a little C note to kind of put a punctuation mark on the tune. So there we have it. No tricks, no slides, no hammer-ons, no pulloffs. Just notes, straight on notes. And the idea, of course, is to bring out the melody. So they're all there on the tab. Why I'm looking over here is because this tab, which I'll display at the end of this video for about 6-7 seconds. What was I getting at? This tab, yeah, no slides, hammer-ons, pull-offs, all notes. The idea, of course, within all these notes is to bring out that melody. So you've got all kinds of notes going on. Lots of bass, back and forth, right? Alternating thumb bass, finger picking. This is on a G. When you go to C, sometimes you go to 5th and 3rd, sometimes you go to 5th and 4th. I think this song is all 5th and 4th on the C. Back to G and D. That different D we have. It. So, a great old tune, performed still to this day by many, many people, and it's a good one to learn, finger picking style. So have fun with it. We'll see you next time.
Oh, yeah.